Show you the high today was 80. The morning low was 63. That morning low not far away from the daytime high. The normal daytime high of 68. The normal daytime low is 47. We've been as warm as 92, as cold as 23. I keep telling you, I don't have any freezes in my forecast, but it's not unheard of at all for us. The average last freeze is March 12th, so there you go. 78 outside right now, south winds at 17, gusting to 29. Pollen, juniper, oak, hackberry, all three are high, and fungus today, that's low. We're clear out there right now. Clouds really increase as we head through tonight. It's dry tonight. Look, no rain tonight. Strong caps in place throughout the day tomorrow. The cap weakens. You can see a couple little spotty showers by noon tomorrow. And then the cap is really starting to weaken by 3 p.m. Watch 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. See these thunderstorms start to fire up. I would say they'll start to fire up late in the afternoon, maybe a little bit before 6 p.m. But I think this model has a pretty good handle on the activity. Could be as early as 3 or 4, but this is the idea. And this is the time of year, it's kind of a wait and see game for us weather folks. And we want you to do the same thing. Just know we'll be here all afternoon and evening, keeping an eye on any activity that could develop. Thunderstorms fire up mid to late afternoon. There's 6 p.m. Here's 7 p.m. You can see where most of the activity is. So there's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, there's 10 o'clock. See what I'm talking about? I have 60 to 70% coverage in my forecast tomorrow, which means a chunk of North Texas won't see any rain at all. Right now, the favored area for severe weather development is northeast Texas to the northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Certainly not ruling out Dallas-Fort Worth. You just saw thunderstorms firing up here tomorrow late afternoon. Cold fronts on top of us about 2 o'clock in the morning, late tomorrow night, Friday morning. See the thunderstorms develop, still firing up northeast Texas, and then another batch of redeveloping rain as we head through the day on Friday. There's the severe weather threat. It's the Metroplex and east under a level 2. Northeast Texas, a higher risk of severe storms. The storm threat tomorrow, number 1, is large hail. What's large hail? Quarter size, maybe up to golf ball size. Damaging winds, 50, maybe up to 60-mile-an-hour winds. The tornado threat is very, very low. It's not zero, but it is low, and that means that we have an isolated tornado risk tomorrow. These aren't the big wedge tornadoes that are the EF3s or the EF4s. These are the kind that are just a quick spin up. They're on the ground for a minute or two, and then they're gone. That's the risk as we head through tomorrow afternoon. It's all a problem, but again, this is not a major severe weather situation tomorrow, but it's enough of one. We're going to be alert, and we certainly want you to do the same. 7 o'clock Friday morning. Fronts to the south. Here comes a little batch of rain, about half of a see rain on Friday. It won't rain all the time, 50% coverage on Friday. Then as we head through Saturday, here's Saturday morning, and then as we head through the into the afternoon, another batch of rain starts to move across the area, and then that will come to an end. So 70% of a see rain Thursday, 50% Friday, about 60% on Saturday, and Sunday is dry. Quarter, maybe 3/4, some isolated spots could see an inch, higher amounts to the east, lower amounts to the west. My forecast tonight has all of that in it. Clouds increase tonight, some isolated rain, maybe a thunderstorm overnight, nothing severe. Breezy and muggy, 66 is the low tonight. During the day tomorrow, it's a pretty cloudy day, a peak or two of sun here or there. Some thunderstorms will develop. Some of those could turn severe. Hail is the number 1 concern. Wind is the number 2 concern. The next 14 days, there's the rain Friday, the rain Saturday, and look at the cool down. We go from 80s today, 80s tomorrow, to 60s on Friday and Saturday, 70 the high on Sunday. It's dry for St. Patrick's Day, and we stay dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week with another round of rain returning after that. Jonah.